Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. I am Kiran Kumar Kulkarni, your online facilitator for social science. Welcome to the Innovative School virtual classroom. Today, as mentioned on the board, we are going to check out a topic called as India, Land and People from chapter 1, which is a very important topic. Probably we may get it for a 4-mark question. So let us check out the various tribes which have settled in India and from where they have come and what was their special skill and all those things. So let us start with the Negritoids. They were also called as Hubsi people, right? They have come from Africa. Their origin country is Africa. And where do we find these people in India? We generally find these people in the jungles of Sasangir, etc. You find them performing the Dhamal dance over there in Sasangir whenever you visit over there. Fine. Then if we check about their physical features, they have curly hair, black skin, and their height is approximately 4 to 5 feet. And other details about them, they came via Balochistan from Africa and they have settled in few places of India. And the second tribe, it's Australoids. They are also called as Nishals, and they have come from Southeast Asia, that is Thailand, and then we have Indonesia, all those places. From there they have come here. And where do we find these people in India now? We find them in Assam, Nicobar Island, etc. And what was the physical feature, or what is the physical feature if we see them? They have a black skin, broad head, and then they have a flat nose, and then their height is short. Right? Approximately we can consider 4 to 5 feet. Fine. And what were their skills? They prepared clay utensils, they used cotton clothes, all such things. Fine. And we come to the third one, that is the Dravidians. The Dravidians, they belong to India only, and at which places they are settled down in India? We find them in South Indian states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Fine. And what are their physical features? They are brown skinned people with medium to normal height, right? And then if we talk about their other details, there are we find huge details about them. They are considered as the creators of Mohenjo-daro culture. They use languages as Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada, and they used to worship nature. Even now they do worship nature. They were experts in making boats and rafts. They were also experts in weaving, spinning and dyeing, etc. Fine. And then if we talk about the Mongolites, the next tribes which have come and settled in India, they have come from north of China, and we have a country named as Mongolia over there. And where they are settled in India now, we find them in North Assam, Sikkim, Bhutan, etc. And the physical features about them, they have yellow complexion, chubby cheeks, almond shaped eyes, etc. And other information, we do not have much information about them. Fine. And then we come to the Ardens, the most advanced tribe of the contemporaries, right? They are also called as Nordics, and they belong to India only. And where do we find them now? We find them in the northern India, northwestern part of India, and some part of West India as well, right? And what is their physical features? They have fair skin and heavily built people. Fine. And they also worship natures, and the areas wherever they have settled, it is called as Aryavarta, Bharatbhumi, Bharatkhanda, etc. And these people, they were very logical, and they also are the writers of the Vedas, the 4 Vedas. Fine. And we come to the last part of this concept, that is the Alpine, Dinaric and Armenoid people. They have come from Central Asia, right? And these people, we find them in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, etc. And we do not have much information about their physical features as well as any other details. So this is all about the people who have settled from ancient time in India. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be in touch with the videos of the school so that you can get more interesting videos about the school. Thank you very much everyone. Bye bye.